It's fucking next entertainment.
Yeah, me say bana ma feel I do. Oda baba na makumate. Me say minya denka na wati mase. Se me koda wane kumya humache. Inti ya nebra menchembe fe manu wape. Oda bana ma feel Oda wacho. Se bode manya na makoma tabeya. Me say bana ma feel Hey wacho. Se bode manya na makoma tabeya. So don't be late. Don't be late. My feel come on the other befe mano kaka. But don't be late. Don't be late. I did miss you all the time. You go kill me, make I die.
Hey, are they almost semi-bana? Ah?
But madam, small madam, why is you know the sea say at the street?
So? So? Oh, semi-bana, yeah, the whole the prayer proper now, are they?
Hey, small madam,
They will.
make I ask you something. Who be you?
Hey!
Huh?
They
Who be you?
Who is this? Who is this person talking to me? Madam younger sister. Hey! Hey! Sisi awani na tra wani ntong. Na dress in crest shape. Shatadi esho. It's my sister. Wasa ede? Waba akata. Nechebe. David. Hey. Are you against her? And now, if you are against the woman.
Hey, small madam. If like say, oh God, I dey respect my boss, then madam. I think myself, I will carry you put this paper top. I will shoot you, I will lash you. I swear to God.
Me.
See, me, my special cap way, I dey take work. You throw am.
Say, I against her 4 feet. I against her 4 feet. Now, we shall tell the crowd was your cry. Ade, now you made.
Hey.
Now, tell the men was sending bassa. Shall we go to cry now? Who go? And I'm my sister.
Okay.
Hey, now, into when you know, my sister to who are.
Oh my God.
Hey, me pacho, for drink a brand one. Hey, ho. What's up, proud egg so? Akosua should be you. For drink a brand one, hold on, why? The chill. For drink a brand. Akosua na drink anyway. Hey, now there. Hey, say mama ni amefu. Akosua. Me say bread me drink o. Me nka say nsuo. Me say bread me drink. You no get. I don't be sure nsuo no gu me so ana. There be o. Wo be sure nsuo no gu me so ana. Hey. Sisi woni atra woni nton. Hey. Oya kesesem. Isi akoshisha on samore. Ye wo
Madam, if you fool like you, I will beat you today.
Akosua.
Swear.
Akosua.
If you fool,
Hey, I will ship you.
You tell me, I don't know if you do anything, The things I don't do anything. You do the thing. I did cool. I did my one corner. They watch you. Still, you won't fool.
Akosua, me see me per drink. Me can't say me pensio.
Madam, we not get drink for the fridge inside.
Let me take your fridge. Why you
Khadija.
This is not the bueno, you do fiancé. Me go carry no go shop on my son and the Sabola now many.
Hey, who am I fooling?
Madam, today I will lie one light a lie. Madam, don't do anything, I swear to God. Madam, I go feel, hey, what? You be liar, hey, you be liar, hey, what do you fancy? Hey, hey, Akosua, take my hand, enter your eye.
I'm for that woman. Bobo why not the better than me kind? Obo do that woman.
Hey, I'm right there. So now you have the guts.
Where is the boy?
To bring a guy in my matrimonial home.
Where is the guy?
Akosua, say what for a baby? When your privilege, when your authority from your boss that you can bring a guy to my house, right? No guy come here. Nobody come here.
Madam, when is that?
And two will get and Akosua the bear my best has said no who share the money the bear free gate. Ever said them.
Madam, calm down. I'm at the gate since yesterday. No man or woman has entered this house.
And so what? And okay, ya baby,
no. Since morning, since yesterday, no man has entered this house.
And you must.
Whilst I'm on duty, there's no nonsense. Will be
and you must and famine. But Akosua, I'm making sure. Today have to be your first and last. Me persist I didn't be repeating who if you crave you.
Since someone
and to go so bana so be who say when your be mate hasia enti efe ha e respect na wo da na di ofia no. Go and remove that thing. Some nails na I yes be for na o to anado. Go and cut it off.
So there are many
and they like
oh, duty praise. Oh, let's see.
If I heard any noise, I won't come and hear you.
Akosua. Come,
I was at your
Madam Togia, me so on dresses. I will look say
this.
But any quite only made the general kick come, sir. Huh?
Says me better so on the boy, and it's until I make a council or this your crab boy.
But you have to say it politely.
Oh, sister.
Yes, I will kick him. Saka, we know if you are saying, oh, you're too some yes, I can also the problem for better. I just said if you are the DBI, solve a problem all the time.
Since me, sorry, being single. Only the body. Hey, Akosua. You better know one at a time. You know one at papa. Akosua friends. What don't you see your mommy? Oh, Mrs. Tanshaw, by one young and come to the one. So cash me your dog. Before they must had a boy ride with me your dog. I be the one for you, you for marry me your dog. Send me home and I'm an any boy can give me your love into your dog and I'm a feel up. That's you. Say what the man and I'm a come and tell me up. And say but I'm a feel up. Hey watch you. Say what the man and I'm a come and tell me up. So don't be late. Don't be late. I feel on come on the other but feel my no kaka. But don't be late. Don't be late. I did miss you all the time. You could kill me, make I die. Eh. Why you they play with my heart? Why you they do me like that?
You every day me there in the chat. They don't make you do come life. What's up? Huh?
Baby, it's all me.
I'm doing business. You know what the work that I do. Huh? When it comes to my food, I don't joke with it.
You know what? Who crana? The oil no who be here.
No, it's like me and you send a minimum. Minimum and you send out and come and worry. After all the time you are on your laptop and when they young. And it isn't our worry me. Some know about inside there now. You knock me now. And no no problem.
Catherine, I want to
say. I see a team come on a marriage vibe.
Yet me need more bedroom, Anna.
Until they be an Indian come bedroom. They be an Indian come bedroom.
I do not hear concentration like you know, it needs sound mind.
Aye, but not today.
What is it you talk to me?
Baby, when you say we say now, me want them, me tea di wa hase. Me pie by ya, you say Akosua. Akofa be ma be she hase. Ana chese, me nua ne be pie so. Ana wo ka no de ne nsam wora akwo nani. Arrested.
Okay. The trouble, I can't. The trouble, you know. The only can wire me some coins like that. Wait, my life come so come to see. Then I will talk with me.
What's all social?
Say.
Arrested. What's all social?
I'm coming, please. I'm coming in minute. I'll return to you. Of someone in your life come more on the customer. Come on. You know we've been doing this near me. Okay.
Listen me.
So far, what they talk to me. What is it? After then you do the
today I'm carrying now one room.
No. You talk to me. What is it?
Okay.
Promise me after that you're going to do the video. Maybe to you so after that.
Listen me. It's going to
so Catherine, I don't have time. I'm working. So what is it? Talk to me. What is it?
No, baby, let me say we are now no me share them na me TV. Can you imagine since Akosua? A friend of boy no one sitting room and living room and video. Just as some no cry me dream one man see. And I mean ya Khadija be pew. And Khadija ko kan Akosua self. Say on no ne guy ex ha na Khadija be abeka na Khadija for be he had that. And now what the new woman in some way they say I say so one mash one a new chop Khadija for canas. Baby, can you what would your wood to read to me? What would your wood to read to? It will feel as
Akosua. Nah. Again.
Let's say again.
No. The last time I saw her, with the guy here, and then the guy was like, he's a friend to the blah blah blah, and he was eating here, and I was even pleased like that. We don't eat in the living room, and I called Akosua, so I was like, that is all. I wish to see the guy. What's it? What's that? The master of the PSA view.
Baby, and you never bothered to tell me. And you didn't tell me anything about that. Really?
No, listen. I'm the man of the house, okay? And then sometimes like I need not to voice out, in anything. You feel me? So I was like, let me just I'm give her a try. Say CBM they are fine, like I make a try. Remember, I had to say Gina more, you feel me? And you now say the oil say back, and I say come on say. A man will be on movie and what are you talking, That's why I asked my the man can show. You understand? This Akosua girl, I'm here with me because you know something. Who near Khadija say what evidence like over two them are being fear say be right. Tell us let me catch up with put on me Akosua on fire. It was at the Bemas of a PSA view. Like, seriously, you mean it? Kadija and Kacho. Hey, Akosua! Hey! Akosua no wife! Akosua!
And I say, it's when you're outdoor, I want your knees like.
My feet are dyable, or that's it unfair me. Sasem now, catch him and no kind of shame me. Yeah, never my show. Would me, yeah, and cut off for Beferu. Yeah, Debbie make a massimo. Say, by you, we got nothing, my command. So, cash me your dog. Before they my saddle, boy, ride with me your dog. I be the one for you, you for marry me your dog. Send me home and I'm a nanny boy, come give me your love into your dog and I'm a feel up. Now I choose. Say what the man and I'm a come and tell me up. And say but I'm a feel up. Hey, what you? Say what the man and I'm a come and tell me up. So don't be late, don't be late. I feel on come on the other, but feel my no kaka, but don't be late, don't be late. I did miss you all the time. You could kill me, make a die. Eh. Why you dey play with my heart? Why you dey do me like that?
Hey! So sorry! Huh? Akosua, how many times have I catch you into your living room? Huh? W, maybe I say, Akosua, how many times have I like repeating me home? Where are you? How many times do you expect him to talk to you? I've been warning you, don't sleeping on the living room. Huh?
Forgive me.
What? You don't get room or what?
Boss.
Are they busy because you don't get room or what? You cannot give you room.
Nah, they work for here. I don't know the time when I sleep, sir.
Hey. No, come on. What I hate, like, begging. If you beg me, then, like, you stop pacing me. Come on, stand up. Akosua. Akosua, it seems like, you are trying to prove stubborn. Yes.
I lie.
No, I said trying to know, or say swear, or lie to lie. What is not for lie to lie? Village bush girl, what is for lie to lie? Huh? I won the other time, you brought a guy in my home, and I won the other time. What was it, I said you're right?
Hey.
Huh?
No, I don't.
You never respect her.
Because I don't feel bring boy come this household.
Huh?
I don't do again, apart from the first day, where then my friend come chop for you. That you.
Alright. So now you don't tell me to like me, I be liar or what? Now you don't tell me to like me, what are they talk like? I don't know what they talk or what?
So I beg.
That's what they do. They please me. I still make you not kneel in front of me. Huh? So you know me say you know guy come here again or what? I talk that one like a lie. I said the one that one like a lie. Stupid girl. How about that a lie? Come here. Huh? Let today be your first and last. I've been warning you. I've been warning you. May you have my car. Let today be your first and last. Let today be now who Jimmy? And yes, sir. Now who Jimmy?
Do anything. I don't know why.
See what they do. See what they do. I talk to them. See what they do. I don't do anything. You don't smoke or what? You don't smoke. What's wrong? Bullying bastard gangster. That will be. Say I'll be gangster. Look, I tell you. See, I don't want you again. No, I swear. I don't want you again. This will be your last time. I swear. Read my lips. You mess up again. I swear. You will pack your things, your belongings, and everything, and come home for you. If I say what? I swear to no nail. I go slap you. I swear to no nail in front of me. Me too for you. Me can say you. I swear. I see me man. Make sure like you yourself, like you pack your own self before I go talk self. And someone who me here. Come on, my boys inside. Ask about to stay there. Trying to be.